If you're naturally skinny, you already know the frustration. You feel like you're eating constantly, stuffing yourself day after day, but when you step on the scale, the number hasn't moved a single pound. The culprit is your biology. A fast metabolism rapidly burns through every calorie you consume before your body has a chance to store it as mass. To fix this, you have to force a massive caloric surplus that simply overpowers that natural burn rate. That is exactly what we are going to build today. A complete 5-step daily routine designed specifically to bypass a fast metabolism and pack on healthy weight. Before we start, grab a notepad. You're going to need to map out your schedule, and more importantly, you need to completely abandon your assumptions about how much food you think you're actually eating. Understanding the mathematical reality of your metabolism is the only way to stop feeling frustrated and start taking physical control of your body's size. Here is step 1. Step 1 is forcing that caloric surplus by tracking every single calorie you consume throughout the day. You cannot rely on your feelings to measure your food. If you wait until you feel full, your natural physical cues will always cause you to underestimate how much you actually ate. The data has to guide your intake. Step 2 is restructuring your daily eating window. If you've been eating small amounts of food for years, your stomach simply doesn't have the capacity for massive meals. Assuming you sleep for 8 hours, you have a 16-hour waking window. Trying to cram your daily surplus into 3 overwhelming 500-calorie meals is a setup for failure. Instead, divide that time into 5 smaller meals of 300 calories each. It's highly manageable. I will warn you right now, the first week on this schedule is going to be physically difficult because your body isn't accustomed to this volume of food. Stick with it. By week 2, your stomach will physically stretch and adapt to the routine, triggering natural hunger cues much more frequently. Managing meal timing and tracking hard data is what separates a successful weight gain system from endless, uncomfortable binge eating. Step 3 is hitting the exact daily protein target required to construct new muscle tissue out of that caloric surplus. The math for muscle growth requires a specific metric. You need to consume at least 1 gram of protein for every 1 pound of your body weight, every single day. To hit that target efficiently, you need dense protein sources. The most effective options for gaining weight are eggs, chicken breast, tuna, cheese, and steaks. Step 4 is applying the physical stimulus. You have to lift heavy weights to trigger your body to actually build that muscle mass. If you skip the training step, those excess calories won't vanish. They will be stored directly as fat, primarily around your waistline. There is a cyclical complication here. Lifting weights burns calories. Because you're training, you will have to increase your baseline food intake even further just to maintain your surplus. Without the mechanical trigger of heavy resistance training, a caloric surplus simply creates a chubby physique instead of a strong muscular one. Step 5 is keeping the whole system on track by weighing yourself strictly once a week to mathematically adjust your diet. This graph shows exactly what to expect when you start. In week 1, you will see a very rapid jump in your weight right out of the gate. Do not assume you've built permanent tissue. This initial spike is simply increased bowel content and extra water weight. After that first week, your progress will inevitably level out into a plateau. This brings us to the golden rule of gaining weight. If the scale stops moving after that first week, you must actively push your caloric intake higher to break the plateau and get the line climbing again. The reason for this is purely biological. As your body gains more muscle mass, its baseline resting calorie burn increases right along with it. The specific amount of food required to gain your first 10 kilograms will mathematically fail to gain the next 10 kilograms. You need more fuel for a larger engine. Weight gain is a constantly moving target. Long-term success requires continually adapting your calorie intake to support your body's new, heavier baseline. You now have the definitive formula. Track a surplus, eat 5 times daily, hit the 1 gram per pound protein ratio, lift heavy, and adjust the scale weekly. Motivation and feelings will fail you when you're staring down a plate of food you don't want to eat. Rigorous consistency with these exact mechanics is the only reliable path from a skinny frame to a healthy, muscular body. Your immediate next step is right in front of you. Take that notepad and write down your personalized 5-meal schedule for tomorrow right now. For more daily hacks to optimize the human body, make sure to subscribe to Body Hub and tap the bell icon to get notified on our newest videos. Overcoming your genetic hurdles is entirely possible once you abandon your feelings and start managing your body as a measurable, adaptable system. You have the blueprint. Now, execute.